Today and almost every day, Steve and I are admiring these river birch. Betula nigra, Betulaceae family. We also have Betula alleghaniensis here, which is yellow birch, but this is river birch. It's so gorgeous. We planted a lot quite a number of years ago. Look at that base. Pretty fantastic. And they have this wonderful peely bark, and it is so colorful. We can see all these river birch from our room with the wood stove, and we just say, look at those river birch. They're just so stunning. And they're a really great wildlife tree. So all of this peely bark is really good for overwintering insects. It provides a lot of nooks and crannies for them to seek shelter in over the winter. And hundreds, is what I've read, of moths and butterflies will use the leaves of this tree during their growing season for food. They chomp on them. And these trees tend to be fairly short-lived, but while they're living, their catkins and seeds and buds provide food for all kinds of songbirds. And then when they die, they provide a really great area for woodpeckers to create cavities in, to nest in and shelter in. And one thing I've not seen on these trees, but which I also read, is that red-shouldered hawks like to nest in the bigger ones, which I do believe because they tend to grow in the habitat where red-shouldered hawks like to be. So all in all, river birch. It is a win for people and wildlife. And it's called Betula nigra because when this tree gets a lot older, it's going to have very different bark. It's not going to be peely and pink and tan. It'll be peely and dark, hence nigra. So I really like paying attention to these scientific names. They don't always make sense, but when they make sense, they make so much sense. It's fantastic.